Let's turn our attention to the oil and gas sector. A total of 197 Nigerian Content Compliance Certificates were approved in 2022 as a push towards achieving the 10-year strategic roadmap of the Nigerian Content Development and Monitoring Board. The Executive Secretary, Ncdmb Wabote, made the assertion at the 11th Practical Nigeria Content Forum in Uyo, the Akwa Ibom State capital. There is more in this report.
The 11th Practical Nigerian Content Forum attracts key players in the oil and gas industry. Is taking place in Uyo. Also present are traditional rulers and officials of government, both at the state and federal levels, with the theme Deepening Nigeria Content Opportunities in the Decade of Gas.
Our aspiration is to have, through the Ncdmb, an indigenous technology developed to harness the nation's 208.62 TCF gas reserves.
In Africa, in general, we can say that Nigeria's skilled labor force has no parallel in any African country, and this is true. And therefore, it is a huge opportunity for investors. It is really an opportunity of our industry to leverage the potential that we have, both in terms of the resources that we have, the skilled people that we have, and then the commitment of government that we are still witnessing today.
The Executive Secretary of the Ncdmb, Ncdmb Wabote, also charges indigenous companies with compliance midway into a 10-year strategic roadmap for enhanced indigenous participation and utilization of local assets in oil and gas operations.
It is gratifying that the push for Nigerian content as envisaged in our 10-year strategic roadmap has continued to yield results in the last 5 years. A total of 178 Nigerian content plans and 197 Nigerian Content Compliance Certificates were approved in 2022. Under the 5-year strategic pillar and roadmap, individual registration to bring the total to more than 271,000 individuals within our database.
I wish to take this opportunity to commend the board for its strides and successes in ensuring local content in the petroleum industry and for venturing to discuss this critical issue of gas.
This conference, taking place in Uyo, the Akwa Ibom State capital, for the third time, is meant to deepen the penetration of Nigeria's indigenous oil companies in the sector.